Morning and welcome all. Today we are going to discuss about how to start the AutoCAD and how to save the AutoCAD file and also how to open the AutoCAD file. Okay, as we discussed, there are the various versions of the AutoCADs are available into the market. Okay, from 2000, AutoCAD 2002 up to the latest part, that is the AutoCAD 2021. For the every year, the AutoCAD company update its software with some modification and make some the easiness into the drawing. Okay, so for every year the AutoCAD software is updated, but the basic commands that in which the AutoCAD is consist, that commands are not changed. Some slightly difference is there regarding the view of the AutoCAD. Like here, I'm going to discuss here. So first of all, AutoCAD 2007. So this is the view. How AutoCAD 2007 is look like. Okay, if we go previous version like AutoCAD 2000, then you can see here the how AutoCAD 2007 is look like. So this is the view of the AutoCAD 2000. This is the view of AutoCAD 2007. There is no any command changes, but difference in the view or some easiness to the assessing the every command. Okay, and also if we discussed about the latest version in previous year, AutoCAD 2020. Okay, this software is look like this. Okay, if we discuss regarding the versions of the AutoCAD, now we can see that there is a drastic changes from 2020, from 2000 to 2020. Okay, but regarding the my system, in my computer there is a AutoCAD 2007 version is available. Okay, if we come in our college laboratory, there are AutoCAD 2020 software is available. Okay, if we come to the college laboratory, then you will get the latest version of the AutoCAD. Okay, there is no any change in how to handle the software. Okay, there is a basic difference between the its view. Okay, for every software is there components are fixed. For the every software their commands are fixed, but slightly difference between the its appearance or some slightly easiness in the handling of the software. Okay. Okay, up to this point, are you getting very clear? Regarding the version of the AutoCADs? Okay, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, if you save, let me start by opening the AutoCAD. If you want to the open AutoCAD, there are basically two shortcuts are available. there is an icon is available into your desktop, but now regarding the my system, there is no any icon is available, but you can open the AutoCAD software by clicking the icon available on your desktop. There is a second method to open the AutoCAD. Just simply type into the search bar, that is AutoCAD. If you install this software, okay, if you install this software, then you can directly search into the search bar by AutoCAD 2007 or regarding the only AutoCAD. Then some suggestions are given by the computer. Then you have to just click on this AutoCAD. Okay, here is the icon is available regarding the your AutoCAD software. Okay, if this is this file is correct, then just click on this icon. Then you will open the AutoCAD 2007. Okay, I think there is a yes, I getting. So before starting the AutoCAD software, the opening, uh, first we have to install the AutoCAD software. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the how to install software. So here is the AutoCAD software is available. You have to just click into the setup part. Okay, you are going to assess this setup. Then setup is the installation program will start. Now this is a progress of the AutoCAD software. In this, you have to just click into the install tab. There are three tabs are available: install, documentation, and the support. By clicking the installation tab, you will be available three options. Yeah, that is the standalone installation, the multiple seat standalone development, and network development. Okay, you have to click only on the just the installation. Then again click the install. You have to require the support component that will be installed now. Just click on the OK. The primary files that required during the installation will be uh, copied by the software. Just wait. So this is the installation program. The process is the only one time. You don't need to the install software at every time. Once you install this software, then the starting of the AutoCAD software process will be same at the every time. You don't need to install software at the every time. Just wait, it will take the time. Now click on the next button. Accept the conditions or agreement and click on the next button. Then type the serial number. The product key is also given into this setup. So you have to just type the product key. So here is the product key 400 and 1234578. 400 1234578. And by the entering the serial number, just click the next button. Okay, you can fill your information. Okay, this is the optional part. Click on the next. You must, okay, last number you have to mention, last name. You have to must uh, enter the dealer name and the phone number. Okay, by selecting the typical part, click on the next. Okay, if you want to select the optional tool, that is the installation express tool or the installation laboratory tool, then you can click here. But now I am, you don't want to install this. I'm going to go in the directly by clicking the next. Okay, here is the asked regarding the desktop shortcut. Okay, please click on this desktop shortcut and click on the next. Are you ready to begin the install? By clicking the next button, the installation will start. Okay, it will take the very short period. Okay, now installation process is start. It will take some time. Just wait, it's taking so much life. Okay, here is a getting regarding the this file is not available, so we have to download this file acbd.arx. See. Just wait, I will solve the problem and join you later.